Now, I'm not a big dunk guy, but these dunks are the best spooky season shoes you will find right now, and for a good price. Today we're diving into the Magma Dunk Low women's exclusive. We're gonna be looking at the specs of the shoe, and then I'm gonna be giving you guys some of my opinions. Whew, I'm very excited. What's up, everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. As you guys saw from the title, we have an unboxing today, the Nike Dunk Low in the Magma Orange. I am super excited to get into these, but before we do, I quickly want to say that we are going to have the 1500 sub giveaway. We are giving away t-shirts. All you have to do is subscribe. I'm assuming if you're watching this video right now, you like sneakers. I'm a sneakerhead, and this whole channel revolves around sneakers, so make sure to drop a sub. The goal is to hit 2,000 subs by October 31st at midnight. It's gonna be a grind, but I know we can do it. Also, if you'd like to support the channel, make sure to check out @KickedOutLV on Instagram. We do local meetups, or if you're out of state, make sure to check out our Poshmark. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get into these. These come in women's size, so this is a size 11 women's, which equates to a 9.5 men's. Regular Nike box here. I will give you guys first look as always. See some white paper on the inside. Whew. These are really poppin'. That's a nice orange. These are perfect for Halloween. Right off the bat, I'm loving the vibes of this shoe. These released on 9/27/2022 for a retail price of $120. And wow, I love the color. They really pop. Go ahead and start with this outsole. This is super cool. So this outsole is comprised of a mainly orange color, yet we can see some specks of green in the outsole, which add a little bit of spice to the shoe. We have this midsole right here, which in my opinion, it looks like, you know those skeletons you find at the Halloween store? It looks like that bone colorway. Very clean. This upper is very bright and vivid. As you guys can see, they highlighted some areas and left some areas pretty plain. I am all for that. I am loving this spooky vibe that these give. These are really nice. Yo, I don't know, I might have to put a fit together for these and wear them on Halloween. These are really like that jack-o'-lantern orange. These scream Halloween. Even though these are not associated with Halloween at all and the name is Magma Orange, like this is a great Halloween shoe. So around the toe box, we can see we get these simple orange panels, but around the toe box edge, we do have the dark orange, which looks amazing. I can't wait to show you guys the tongue tag on these. Moving to the lateral panels, we get this solid Nike swoosh. We get this, again, highlighted around the edges, but really plain near the center. But you do have the Nike swoosh there. That goes for both sides. Moving back, another solid orange panel around your Achilles tendon area. It's really simple, and it's really a copy and paste on each panel, but I really like this effect. We have Nike embroidered on the back. It's not a stamp that's gonna fall off anytime soon. And then for the sock liner, we have this orange. We have solid orange laces that cover this canvas type material. Now this tongue tag is very cool. Look, the Nike logo, it just disappears, gone, kind of like a ghost or a spirit disappearing. On the insole, you guys can see the orange sock liner again, but on this insole we have Nike white, we have the orange. Peter Moore designed the Dunk a long time ago, but with these colorways, the collabs that we keep seeing, it will remain one of the world's most popular sneaker ever. Look at these laces either. These are an upgrade. Usually I have complaints when it comes to regular Nike Dunks because the quality is not there, and while these will receive a pretty harsh crease, I respect the details that Nike decided to put on this shoe. You guys can see that these are not regular laces. They're a little bit of an upgrade. They have a kind of a pattern. We have this tongue tag, which is nice. You know, they could have went way simpler with this. Did you guys cop this pair, or are you looking to cop this pair? I will see you guys in tomorrow's video, so make sure to subscribe so you're up to date with all the sneaker vids we have coming out. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Keep up with me on Insta @JordanInVegas. If you have any questions about the shoe, make sure to leave it in the comment. Poshmark links are in the description. I will see you guys for tomorrow's video. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. These shoes are sick. This is one shoe that I'm very excited about. These are sick. Alrighty, till next time, guys. Peace.